Now, I can hear you saying, hold on, Chris, you said you started with £800 and you got a £400 bonus. Well, actually, it doesn't show that on the main screen there. Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this PU Prime review video, specifically their forex copy trading part of their site. We'll be taking a look at what PU Prime has to offer and how you can get set up copying a trader who's going to make trades on your behalf, and all going well, presumably you've picked someone to copy that's profitable. They're going to just make profitable trades for you, forex trading, day in and day out. Now, for obvious reasons, I must say that this is not guaranteed profit, so it's not like match betting where you're covering all the outcomes. You are trusting a trader with your money, but if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll share with you how much money I've put into this site and which trader I'm copying. But before we jump on the laptop and get into it, just like to mention the Profit Boss Forex Trading Facebook group. There'll be a link down in the description if you're not yet a member. But getting into it, here we are then on the PU Prime main website. And actually, you don't just want to check this out via this main page. I'll leave another link down in the description, which will take you to this page, which is for a 50% deposit bonus. But I'll talk about that bonus and how you can make extra money from it later on in the video. For now, we're just going to check out what PU Prime has to offer from their services. So you can see here, scrolling down on their main page, they have a lot of different sites here reviewing them. They're a very, very established brokerage. You can see they've got awards here from various magazines there. So World Economic Magazine rated them the best copy trading community builder in Europe for 2023 for this year. Then ADVFN voted them the best forex trading app for 2023. And then we have World Business Outlook there, top user-friendly mobile app global award for 2023. Scrolling further down from their awards though, they've got a live forex price ticker sort of tracker page here. So that's quite handy if you really quickly just wanted to see what the latest prices were for currency pairs like the pound to US dollar, for example. You can see exactly what they are there. Then further down, we've got the trade your preferred markets. So what different markets can you trade? So forex, indices, commodities, metals and shares, and also crypto, I believe. Yeah, there's lots you can trade on here. But, you know, for the Profit Boss subscribers, really our main focus isn't doing the trading ourselves. The main focus is having a trader do the trades, and we just put the money in and let them do the work for us. Then scrolling further down, you can see follow and copy master traders using the PU Social app, which we'll get on the phone in a second, and I'll share my phone screen with you and show you how that looks also. Now, when you've clicked that link down below and you get this 50% deposit bonus, all you do is click on that Join Now button there, and then you'll be able to set your account or just some basic information to start with. Then you verify your address and your ID once you're logged in with an account. But when you've done that, you're going to have this here, your client portal. And it's got a few different options here on the side. So home, accounts, funds, promotions, prop trading, anti-chartist, and downloads and contact us. Now, the main thing that you would want to do when you're on here on this main dashboard on your computer, click on promotion, and then on that one there, 50% deposit bonus, you just go ahead, click on that. And what that's going to allow you to do is just click activate here. So where it says sign out for me, because I've already opted in, it's obviously saying sign out of it. But you just click on opt in before you do your first deposit, which your first deposit, if you do £800, you'll actually get £400 additional funds. So you'll be trading with £1,200. So that £400 they give is not just like cash that you can withdraw, but because you're actually trading with more money, it means you can obviously make more money from the trades, because obviously the more money you have to trade with, the more money you can make. Now, once you've verified your ID and address on the dashboard on your computer there, you'll get an email with your username and password for that account. Then what you need to do is jump on over to the Play Store and download the PU Social app. I'll put it up on the screen now, what that looks like for Android users. And when you have that downloaded, you simply go over to, so if we just pop up the screen for my phone here at the side, you'll go on to account here, and then you're going to go over and click on the settings, so the cog at the top there. Then when you've clicked on that, you can go ahead and it'll say connect account, and you'll just put your username and password that you've had emailed to you, onto the app there, and it basically connects your PU Social app to your desktop account there. It's like connecting them together. Then you can go back on your desktop and deposit the money that you're wanting to start with. Starting with £800 is ideal because then you're going to maximize the deposit bonus, which is $500, so £400 roughly. So that's why I say £800 is ideal. Obviously, if £800 is out of your budget, you could start with, say, $500. You'll still get £250 deposit bonus, so still get a decent amount there to help with your trading. But jumping back onto the phone here, this setup is very, very much like, pretty much identical actually, to the Axie copy trading app that I reviewed a few videos back here on the channel. And yeah, you've got the Discover tab at the bottom left-hand corner. Then what's actually a bit different here is you've got the signals from the top 5 users there listed out. So like the Holy Grail, Swissway, Pentagon, Cayman Rider, and F190. But then what's different on here is you've got low drawdown traders there. So ones that they don't, drawdown is like they don't experience much of losses where you have to wait for it to recover. So that's potentially something that someone that's maybe really risk averse would be, you'd want to go for the low drawdown traders. You got medium drawdown, then high drawdown, and you can see the higher and medium drawdown traders do have larger returns than the low drawdown, but maybe some people don't want such high drawdowns there. And then you got some new signals there, so top 5 of like brand new traders that they feel could be worthwhile following there. But I've actually chosen Swissway on here to copy, and you can see there it says edit copy at the top because I've already started copying them. Yeah, the reason why, when I was copying the Holy Grail over on Axie, the Holy Grail trader would leave trades open, running at a large loss basically, and they did recover and they came back, and I managed to exit Axie in a profit. But it just didn't really sit well with me. It was a bit too aggressive of a trading strategy. Whereas with Swissway, from what I've seen and what I've heard people say that are copying him, he doesn't leave trades open like that. He closes them. If he sees that the trades are going badly, he'll just close them, and that's that. So that's what I'm copying on here. And I'll obviously update people with how it's going so far. As the months go by there. I'll probably do like a 1 month, 2 month update and so on. But if we go over to the trade section here, yeah, again, just like Axie, got all the different options there to do trades for yourself, but we're not really interested in that. You got the positions tab here. You can see my £800 balance, £801 5 pence equity. That's because I had one trade open and closed today by Swissway. Just a £1 5 pence profit there, which, it's not a fortune, but it's a start there. And remember, that's money that you're making completely hands off, passive income, as they say. So yeah, really like how he's not just open a load of trades and now it's like in a huge live running profit and loss. It sits much better with me for sure. Now I can hear you saying, hold on, Chris, you said you started with £800 and you got a £400 bonus. Well, actually, it doesn't show that on the main screen there. You have to go to account, scroll down, and you can see there it says credit £400, and then my equity there is £1,201 5 pence, but my balance there, £801 5 pence. Now, when you go to withdraw any profit, they then actually take away any credit. So I think what is a good thing to do, let it build up. My plan with this is to let it build up £400 of profit, then withdraw the profit, and then just leave the £800 in. So they'll take the 400 credit away, but I'll have made £400 profit. I think that's a pretty solid strategy. Now, for those awesome people that have made it to the end of the video, yes, I'm talking to you, I have a special offer for you. Basically, for the first 50 people that join PU Prime through my link down in the description, extra special thank you. I'm just going to literally send you £50 cash for using my link. All you have to do, there'll be a page down in the description with 50 numbers there. This is just in the month of December, by the way, that I'm doing this. But let me know when you've joined up to PU Prime, minimum deposit, £500 you need to put in there, and then drop me an email to let me know that you've joined up, put 500 quid in, and then next month, so basically after a month, I'll send you the £50 cash. And it's not like a bonus credit where you have to wager or anything like that. It'll literally be 50 people that I send £50 each to. So I'm giving away £2,500 by doing this, just as an extra special thank you for people using my link there. But do comment below with your thoughts on PU Prime. Have you already been using it? Do you find it better than Axie? And do tap the like button on this video if you found it of value. And as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.